Morning, family. It's Ham's Loft. I'm really at over 27 miles, but I forgot to start the gauge. So, morning, family. Assalamu alaikum. Ham's Loft is 747, 82 degrees. We're about 27 miles away from my home. Back at the same spot I was yesterday. It's a parking lot at a movie theater. 27 miles away. Got the birds settled in. They've been sitting for a little while. I'm starting out with 48. I had yesterday. I think I had 46. I added two more that I had in the light section where I was trying to bring them back to health, which they was already brought back, but I was trying to get them at a better strength point. They've been sitting in there for a while. We're gonna let them go. I gotta go to work, so I ain't got time to worry about them. I already set the feed out, put the traps down. Everything is ready to go. So let's get them in. Cool. Yeah. Got a couple of stragglers. They up there. All right, it's 7:52. They're gone, and I think they're gone for good. I'm trying to wait to see if they come back around, but they haven't. So they probably headed to the house. All right, comment, subscribe. 27 miles, second toss. Peace.